In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice from your site's dashboard. This is a crucial aspect for anyone managing their own business, as it not only helps in maintaining professional interactions, but also ensures smooth financial transactions between you and your clients. So, let's dive right in and take you through these steps. We begin by navigating to your site's dashboard. This is your control center, where you can manage everything related to your site. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Getting Paid section. This is typically designed to streamline your financial tasks, making it an essential tool for business owners. Within this section, you'll find the Invoices option. Go ahead and click on it. Now, to create a new invoice, look for the button that says New Invoice or Create New. This will open up a fresh invoice template for you to customize according to your needs. If this is your first time and you haven't already entered your business information, such as your business name, logo, and email, you'll be prompted to do so here. Ensuring this information is accurate and professional is important, as it's what your clients will see. Next, you'll need to decide who this invoice is for. If you've already built up a client list, you can simply choose your desired client from that list. If not, you'll have the option to add a new client's details right there. Paying attention to this part is vital, as it ensures the invoice reaches the right person and doesn't get lost in the shuffle. Now, it's time to flesh out the details of the invoice itself. You'll need to add a title. This could be a brief description of the service or product provided. Following this, specify the issue date when the invoice is being sent out, and the due date, which lets your client know when payment is expected. As you move further, it's important to list the products or services you're billing for. You should include details on quantities and pricing for transparency, and to avoid any confusion later. Money matters require precision, so double-checking this is always a good idea. If your business involves any taxes or discounts, this is the stage to input those details. Accurately entering taxes ensures compliance, while discounts can build goodwill with your clients. You might also want to include any notes or terms for extra clarity. This is where you can list payment methods or any specific conditions that apply. It's a small step, but can help in addressing and preventing any disputes. Finally, before you send off the invoice, click on Preview to see how it all appears. This is your chance to catch any errors or make adjustments. Once satisfied, you have a couple of options. Send the invoice directly to your client's email or save it as a draft for later. Both options are easily accessible and enable you to work